Hi all, welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Anfield for my weekly Anfield Road expansion update. So we'll get over and have a little look, just looking in the air, see where the drone was, that's all. And just get nice and high, people working, so I don't want to interrupt the working. So it's all going to be done from a height today. Okay, so let's get over and have a look at the areas of interest that I normally look at. Okay, so there's building going on down here. Something's getting put together. It's a backspan in it, yeah, that's definitely a backspan getting put together, so gonna be another backspan going up. Let's get over the other side where I noticed stuff getting built last time. There we go, something there as well. And that is another backspan and a front span. Okay, so there's going to be lifting going on this week. Definitely lifting going on this week. But as I said about the roof going on in during the World Cup, looks like it's definitely going to happen during the World Cup. So the roof coming off the old Anfield Road stand and a roof going on the new Anfield Road stand, which is good. So reloads going on. So that piece that I caught getting lifted last week was a front span, and there it is there. Okay. Yeah. Loads of work being going on. Let's just let's back up a touch. That's going down. Don't want to go down. I want to go back. There we go. So loads being going on there. I can go down because I'm in the park now. Oh. Loads of work being going on. There's more added on there from last week. And you've been putting together loads of stuff in that construction area. I'll be getting closer looks because people want me to get closer, but I can't really get closer while people are working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring one of my cameras out of retirement, which can, well, it can basically zoom into craters on the moon. So I'll bring that out of retirement. Yeah, I'll put some examples on the screen for you while I'm flying over Anfield of what pictures can get with this camera. I took pictures of craters on the moon with the video footage of the moon, and I've also got a picture of Jupiter with it. So it's got quite a good zoom on it, so that'll get some decent footage. So I'll start doing them on, like, I don't know, maybe a Thursday or something. Right, so let's get over the grounds, do some talking points. I'm going to bring it down because it's getting winds up there. I'm well away from the construction. Okay, so move on to some talking points now. Safe standing has been brought up a couple of times. So safe standing, because they're talking about, you know, it's going to be 61,000 seater stadium, but people are talking about increasing the capacity with safe standing, and there's no definitive answer on whether someone standing where there should be a seat is going to increase capacity, because at the moment it's a 1-to-1 ratio and no one knows if it's going to be a higher ratio. But I know that in the corner there of the Anfield Road, I know they had safe standing there, and someone said at the back of the Kop, but I'm not getting low enough to, I'm not getting low enough to have a look at the back of the Kop. I say the stand's too small. I've mentioned that many times. Okay, so I'll take your word for the safe stand at the back of the Kop. Oh yeah. Someone said the away fan's going to be getting moved. Last time, and I said no, they'll still be down on the left hand side, where that covering over the seats and then is separating the away fans from the home fans. Someone says on the new stand it's going to be on the right hand side, closer to the arcles, because it's better access for the coaches and stuff, so it makes sense. So it'll be bottom right rather than bottom left. Oh yeah, someone said will the corner of the Ken Dalglish stand be getting cut out? And I imagine it will be, because there's going to be obstructed views otherwise. They've done the same to the Anfield Road, and they cut away a lot of that, and the Kop as well. See, there's a section of the Kop cut away as well, so yeah, they'll have to adjust to allow for better viewing for the fans. Right, okay, this is a good point. Now, if you haven't been to Anfield, someone said, well, so how high the stand is. They said they don't think they're going to see the Kop. Now, I think Liverpool's only issue is fans can see all of the pitch. Now, at the back of the main stand, at the back of that main stand is very high, and you cannot see the scoreboard down there on the Kenny Dalglish stand. So what they've done was you put a scoreboard which you can't see from here. Oh, can you? No, they put a scoreboard anyway at the top corner of the Kop. It's like on a slant facing the main stand, so fans could see the scoreboard, because you couldn't see it from the back of the main stand to the Kenny Dalglish stand where it is. So yeah, you should probably won't see the top of the Kop from the back of the Anfield Road, but you'll see all the pitch and probably see some of the front of the seats. But I don't think that's a massive issue from Liverpool. As long as fans can see the game, that's all they care about. Right, someone said about the discoloured seats in the main stands. Now, I think that's just a weather issue. If you leave something out in the sun long enough, it's going to fade, and that's what's happening to the seats. Now, they did have discoloured seats down in the Kenny Dalglish stand, and they got painted, because when I first started doing this, they had discoloured seats, and then the next week they were all like the same colour red. So yeah, it's just that if you want to paint them or not, I think. But yeah, they are discoloured, definitely. Okay, so that covers them talking points for now. Since I started doing this, I've wanted to get more and more with my drone or with my camera, because my main hobby is photography, to be even being honest with you. I do like flying the drone, but photography is my main hobby. So what I'm going to start doing is getting out more with the drone and my camera. So I'm going to start a feature on here called Why Wednesdays, and basically you ask me a question in the comments. It can be football related, it can be not football related, but if there's anything you want to know about Liverpool, Everton, the city, Liverpool itself, ask away. It can be a why question, it can be a what or where question, i.e. what's this, where's that type of question. So ask away and I'll try and find out an answer. and make a video out of it. Hopefully do some history on what the background is to the answer that I found, and yeah, just whatever, just, you know, I say this is your channel, so you ask the questions, I'll provide the content. It's as simple as that. Well, yeah. But regarding work on the Anfield Road, there's loads going on. That front span I caught last week is up on a roof. That's definitely a back span. It's too big to be a front span, and I think over in that corner is a back span and a front span. So yeah, I'll leave it there. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, there'll be more. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll be putting my Instagram on the screen, because people are asking for my Instagram, so because people want to see me photography and stuff like that. So yeah, you can see more of what I'm about on Instagram. So yeah, I'll leave it there, and I'll speak to you again soon. It's going to be this week. I'll be doing the Anfield Roads next Monday. I'll be doing Bramley Moor next Sunday, but I've got another video to do tomorrow, and that'll be coming out tomorrow afternoon sometime. So yeah, so speak to you all soon. Bye for now.